Why are you painting water?
Because these people need water.
Do they need clean water? That's blue so they can see through it and there's not a lot of dirt. Good job. You want another color? This one? Light blue? Okay. There you go.
All the way to...
Make sure you get all the white. Good job.
Another color.
Which one?
I'll do...
This one?
Is there anything you want to say to the people who will be looking at your pictures?
This is water. No water? You guys have dirty water. This is clean water.
All right. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.